my channel. I'm kind of upset right now. I was talking to one of my best friends and she said that I should just channel my energy into finishing a project. I have the project that I've been working on this week. I actually started it back in March. I've just been working on it a little by little. I wanted to do like freehand knitting, so what I did was I started from this sleeve and then I kept increasing and increasing and increasing, and then once I felt like my sleeve was long enough, I casted on a bunch of stitches for the body, and then I just started knitting the body and I slowly started opening up the body to make a place for the head to go through. And then once I got to my stopping point, I cast off and started knitting my other sleeve. I didn't really have a plan. I was just kind of making this up as I went along, and I wanted to do it because I wanted a sweater where all the stitches were going in the same direction. And this sweater is made from scrap yarn. It's all from other projects that I did or balls of yarn that I had, and it's also made with balls of yarn from this place in SF called Scrap. Me and my friend went there and it's all like used stuff, and they had this basket full of these small yarn balls. This is mostly made up of those in addition to the yarn that I already had. So it's true scrap yarn sweater. I didn't buy any yarn for this sweater. I'm gonna finish the sleeve. I only have to do 21 stitches for this ribbing, and then I'm gonna cast it off, and I'm going to crochet the sleeves together and the body. I might do the sides together. I might just leave them open.
Tomorrow.
Today is Sunday and I'm going to try to finish my green scrap sweater, and I'm also going to try to finish my checkerboard shorts that I've been working on. So I'm gonna do those two things. Right now I'm gonna go get boba with one of my friends, and then in a little while I'm gonna watch Benny Drama's variety show, which I'm super excited to watch. This is what I'm wearing right now. Little shirt, sweater I got at the thrift store. I think someone must have put it in the wash because it's like oddly dense. Lars is attacking my slipper. I don't think he likes these slippers. Damn, dude. Slippers that I'm not gonna wear out of the house, and then some big baggy pants. Romeo! I just finished my green sweater. It's been so long. Both of these projects took way too long. I decided to do like an Eckhouse Lotta inspired neck where I left the shoulders open. I tucked it into my pants, but it is kind of like a long, it's kind of a weird length right now. It's like a cut you off length. So I might either like crochet it up a little bit or add a rib so it's like even longer, because I feel like right now it only looks flattering with like oversized clothes or maybe a skirt under it. I'm gonna see what else I can style it with. It also doesn't really have a front or a back, so I could wear it the other way too. I don't know if I like it with the big pink mohair stripe down the front though. Actually, it looks like it's longer. It looks like this side is longer. Maybe not. And I haven't woven any of the ends. Let me see what else I can wear this with. I kind of like this outfit, but I'm also not sure if it's totally whack and it's too much. So let me know if you think this outfit is too much. Sweater, flat pants. I kind of like this outfit. I might end up wearing this for the rest of the day.
Green, 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 green.
I like that my sweater has lots of things hanging off of it, and also my skirt does. I would wear these Dunks, or I would wear these Rafe Adidas. I don't know why I feel like orange and green go hella well, but yeah, I can only wear these shoes with this outfit. I like it with this skirt. It's kind of like a balance between frumpy, weird sweater and then like cute little bodycon skirt. Okay, one more. Okay, another pair of plaid shorts. I feel like these go together, especially with this red orangey stripe and then the stripe in the plaid. Totally go together. Totally wear this.
Meanwhile.
I just finished my checkerboard shorts that I've been working on for many weeks. I'm gonna try them on now. I tried them on while I was making the waistband and they were not the most flattering shorts. So they'll probably end up being like loungewear, but put them on and show you guys what they look like. So these are the shorts. They aren't fitting like very well. They fit pretty well in like the legs, but then once we get up here, it's kind of big. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little eye cord, and I'm just gonna like take a needle and like weave it through so I can pull this tight. But until then, I think I'll just like pull it back with a binder clip and no one will know. This is the first way I would style these shorts. I would style them with my cozy shoes and a big shirt because they don't fit very well right now. So I want people to see them, but only a little bit. Okay, now I've put on a denim jacket. I would also wear these with a very large denim jacket so you can see the shorts only a little bit. And I'd probably wear different shoes, but because I'm in the house, I'm gonna keep these shoes on. Now, I'm wearing it with my Gautier dress from my thrifted designer video. This outfit could be like very sophisticated and cute, and then all of a sudden, playful, right? Full checkerboard outfit from my first video. Clearly I have a problem. Once I figure out the waistband issue, I could do full checkerboard loungewear. Right? Maybe not. Maybe it's too much. Maybe not. I actually don't know if this goes with these, but I think I just kind of wanted to like try on all the sweaters that I've made with the shorts that I made so I could do like a full knitted outfit. These shorts are actually way more versatile than, okay, Lars is drinking my coffee. These shorts are actually way more versatile than I thought. I think because they're so kind of like bold, you could just wear them with like any solid top, denim, white, solid sweater, dress. They're so versatile, but I'll probably just wear them around the house. This is a good example of like the cut you off length, because I really want it to be like higher, so it's not like cutting me off at my widest point basically. But this is everything I made that I spent months and months and months making. What do we think of this outfit? Could be worse, right? It kind of ties in with the green right there, and like the sweater has hella colors in it, so they totally go together, okay? Well, thanks for watching. I now have to quickly clean up my entire apartment because I have friends coming over for the weekend. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the projects that I did, and I hope they inspired you to do some projects. Oh, if any knitters watching this know if making a sweater like this has some kind of specific name, like where all the stockinette stitches are going in the same direction, please let me know in the comments because I've been trying to find like a real pattern for a kind of sweater like this. I haven't been able to. I've been searching like random things, like stockinette, One Direction sweater, and like I can't find anything. Let me know, I really appreciate it, and thank you again for watching. Tomorrow is Halloween, so hope you have a happy and safe Halloween this 2020. Bye! Romeo!